In yesterday's gospel reading, we heard Pharisees took objection. Jesus was having a meal with the tax collectors and sinners. In today's gospel reading, we heard the disciples of John come to Jesus and ask him, "We and Pharisees fast, but your disciples are not fasting. Why?" Jesus' life was filled with oppositions, criticisms, and problems. And yet Jesus knew how to face them. Praying, fasting, and almsgiving were three components of Judaism. But the Pharisees made these three practices as rituals. And not only rituals, they wanted others to know that they are doing these things, and which Jesus criticized. Praying is good. But there is also limit to pray, no? You lay people, you are not cloistered nuns, you are not monks, you have your family responsibility that you have to carry on. Some time must be devoted to prayer, no doubt. Fasting is good. But when to fast? Jesus clearly says, when the bridegroom is there, who will fast? When the bridegroom is taken away, they will fast, Jesus says. What Jesus is trying to tell, when God is there in front of you, why you have to fast? The fasting and praying and almsgiving are means to reach God. And when God is there in front of you, there is no need to fast.